This total new platform that I will be sharing with you today, which is worldwide, it's so popular and everyone knows it, will help you to make affiliate marketing and to earn over $5 billion all around the world with the help of it. So, in order to make it sure and in order to understand how you can do affiliate marketing with the help of it, with the world's most legit way, you will have to watch this video till the very end of it because not only I'm going to teach you how you can make affiliate marketing for sure, and as well I'm going to give a bonus tip to you, but as well this platform is going to offer you some other like educational training by the help of it totally for free so you can make affiliate marketing in a perfect way. But before going there and before sharing this kind of things with you, I want you to stay into my channel. I want you to go to further personal growth and to give a big thumb up to the video below if you do really like what I've been sharing so far with you, to subscribe to the channel and to push the notifications on so whenever I post you can get notified and not miss any video of mine. And as well, don't forget to check out the other videos that I've been sharing so far with you so you can make a combination of them all together and you can earn more extra amount of money online by using proven strategies and methods which are going to be offered to you totally for free worldwide without not asking about any special skill at all. So just make sure to follow every single step that I'm going to be sharing again with you today, and you can earn up to $5,000 just by using this kind of affiliate marketing that I will be sharing with you. It will pay you with PayPal account, but as well it's going to pay you with other bank accounts that are supported into your country. Is going to be available worldwide. It will not ask you for any previous experience, and even if you are a beginner into making money online, this platform will offer you some educational trainings totally for free so you can use them and start getting paid. The name of the platform is clickbank.com, and I'm sure that most of you have heard about it. I'm sure that they have and for those of you who have never heard about it, this is a platform where you can come here, find different business online who are offering different products like e-commerce tools, affiliate marketplaces, and industry-leading support and education, and everything that you need you can find here by just using different products with this limitless potential platform. It has been around since 20 years. That's why it's world trusted global partner for business to looking to grow online, since it's offering all this kind of all these kinds of tools like hosted order form, integrated payments to track, manage, and pay affiliates, and as well it's offering affiliate marketplaces which are going to help you, the one that we are going to use today, to earn high amounts of money. You can have transparent product marketplaces, top performing offers, and reliable payments, and as well some other information which I'm not going to read them all, but what is important for us is that we can get to become an affiliate marketing and to earn up to $150 per every single sale that we do toward this platform. So let's just suppose that we found a product and we shared it with our familiars, for example, or with our friends, and one of them just decided to buy that product, and you can get to paid up to $150 per this kind of sale. That's why you can just become easily an affiliate here, and you can put your information there, and after that you can start making money online with this worldwide leader. It has a potential, or it has operated up to 190 countries for over 20 years since we talked about it, and as well it has paid up to 5 billion people all around the world with the help of affiliate marketing. This is one of the best platforms, since you can see even the ratings here, which is almost 5 stars, and as well the reviews that are very, very good. You can get started with this platform just by going to the upper platform of it and just by clicking into start here, and they are going to make you some other questions which are going to be related with what you're going to do. So the very first question is how you can customize your ClickBank experience, and you will just click into I want to promote ClickBank products as an affiliate, since you are going to be working as affiliate marketer toward it. And after that, they are going to ask you some other question related to your experience into promoting as an affiliators. You may click into yes, into B and C option if you have had previous experience into that. But if not, you can just click into no, I'm just getting started. Now I will just click here for beginners for sure. And you can see that there are some other information that they want to know about it. Now don't worry guys, because they will not ask you for any money at all. This is going to be working with you worldwide. So now that you saw this, you can just click into this other information, and after that to continue till the very end of it, where you will have to type your information about how did you heard about ClickBank. It was from my channel Better Personal Growth, or you can just click another thing, and after that you will type your email so you can submit your information, and after that you will be directed right over here to sparksbyclickbank.com, which is going to offer you a total for free training on how you can make affiliate marketing, how you can follow these courses and get paid more just by doing it. So you can use this platform not only to get paid, but as well to learn more information about doing affiliate marketing. After you have finished this course, which is going to last like for 5 minutes, you will be able to have an email into your email account, so you can just confirm that it was your account, and after that you can be directed into their main page where you can see their products. For the moment the platform is not letting me in, but this is a screenshot of how it will look after you have just created your total new account into ClickBank.com. These are some of the offers that are offered to you, like billing types, features, gravity, average and conversion, installation, conversion, and other information. So you can just open them all. You can see even in categories. You can browse them all and find different offers that you can just promote and get paid. You can see even the amount of money that you will be able to get just by promoting it, and as well you can see what kind of promotions or products they are. You can choose between the products that are more like that people are more interested into that, like for example, you can search for beauty and makeup, or you can search for weight loss products and other information like that, and after that you will just click into promote into this option, and you will be directed right over here where you can create your own hop link, and after that you can start sharing it with different people so they can sign their up, and after that they can buy some products, and you can start getting paid just by doing this kind of affiliate marketing commission and earn money online for doing that. Now a lot of people, what they do by mistake is that they just share their affiliate link with their familiars or with just their close friends, but what I will highly recommend you to do is to go on Instagram, for example. You can create your own stories related to affiliate marketing to this platform, or you can just go to Facebook and to join to different groups online, and you can, after you join to this kind of groups, you can just share your affiliate link together with some information like check out this product is one of the best. And as well, one of the bonus steps, the best of all, that I highly recommend to you to choose, and we've been talking about it before, it's by just shortening your link. I know that this is one of the best, because not only is going to help you to earn money online by doing affiliate marketing, but as well is going to help you to make money online by shortening this URLs, by offering some ads to you and getting paid for both of the things. So for doing affiliate marketing and for doing shorten links, you can just use lto.com, you can use shortst.com, and as well you can use bitly.com. And for some of this kind of platforms we've been talking before, and as the platforms it suggests to you, you can earn money with it every day just by doing affiliate marketing and by shortening these links, which are going to be with platforms totally for free. For sure, if you do want to use other platforms, you can just go to Google and search for it. And that was all for today. This is how you can earn up to $5,000 just by using ClickBank and other information or bonus tips that I gave to you. Thank you for watching till the very end of it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like it and to give a big thumb up below.